In order to enter the door of Buddhism, you need to take on the Refuge Vows. The Refuge Vows recommend for you what to do and what not to do, and in order for you to break negative habituations, in order for you to start on positive habituations. The vows are not something to torture us. The vows is not something to hurt us or to bind us or to imprison us. Every single day that we hold on to the Refuge Vows, we collect the merit of whatever vows we have taken, and we create the merit to counter the negative habit related to that vow. For example, if every day you don't steal, it's neutral. You're not stealing. But if you take a vow that you don't steal, that you will never steal, that you will not steal, every single day that you exist holding that vow and you don't steal, you collect the merit of not stealing. The merit of not stealing is in the future when you do business or when you do agriculture or when you do work, the work will be fulfilled more easily as a result of this merit. And the vows are taken by the power of the object, the subject, and the motivation. Object being the three jewels, Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha. The subject being oneself, being of sound mind, understanding the power of the vows. And the motivation is to attain the highest enlightenment for all sentient beings, to bring the most benefit for all sentient beings, to bring the most relief to all sentient beings. In order to accomplish that, we need to become a fully enlightened Buddha. In order to become a fully enlightened Buddha and all the stages that we need to achieve to become a fully enlightened Buddha, then one must be able to start somewhere. And that somewhere is holding the vows. The Refuge Vows came from Lord Buddha. It isn't something made up.